In this video, you'll learn how to set up an abandoned cart email in Mailchimp. By following these steps, you will be able to automate communication with customers who leave items in their shopping carts, thereby improving your chances of completing those sales. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp website. Once there, sign into your account using your credentials. If you encounter a prompt to verify your identity, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-in process. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your Mailchimp dashboard. Next, locate the menu on the left-hand side of the dashboard and click on Automations. This section allows you to create automated email workflows. Once you click this, you will see options for various automation types. Look for the option that mentions customer journeys. After that, click on Integrations within the Automations menu. This will lead you to a page displaying various integrations available for your Mailchimp account. Here, you can manage your connected apps, including Shopify, which is essential for setting up the abandoned cart email. Once on the integrations page, bind and click on Manage to view your connected platforms. This section allows you to access specific settings related to each integration. After this, you should see the list of your connected apps, and you will want to select Shopify. Clicking on Shopify will take you to the integration settings for that platform. Look for the option labeled Automations and click on it. This will bring you to the section where you can create new automation workflows for your Shopify store. Now click on Build from Scratch. This option allows you to create a new customer journey tailored to your needs. After selecting this, you will be prompted to enter details about the flow you are creating. Click on Flow Details to proceed. At this stage, click on Name Flow to provide a specific name for your abandoned cart email flow. Type in a descriptive name that will help you identify this automation later. Once you have entered the name, click on Choose a Trigger to select the event that will initiate this email flow. You will see a message stating that these starting points are popular with other Mailchimp customers. Click on Shopify Abandoned Checkout to select this trigger. This action indicates that the email will be sent when a customer abandons their checkout process. After selecting the trigger, click on Save Trigger to confirm your choice. This step is crucial as it solidifies the action that will prompt the email to be sent. Now, you should see options to add actions to your workflow. Next, click on Update Contact and drag it to the center of your workflow canvas. This will set up the action that updates the customer's contact information when they abandon their cart. After placing it, click on Save to ensure your changes are recorded. Now, click on Action to add another element to your workflow. Following this, click on Update to finalize the action settings. You will then need to select an audience field by clicking on Please select an audience field. This will allow you to specify which audience will receive the abandoned cart email. Once you have made your selections, click on Close to return to the main workflow view. Next, click on Send Email and drag it to the center of the workflow. This action will ensure that the email is sent to the customer after they abandon their cart. Now click on To and From. To specify the sender's information, you will need to enter the sender's name and email address. After completing this, click on Subject to set the subject line of the email that will be sent to customers. Following this, click on Schedule to determine when the email will be sent. You can set specific timing parameters to optimize the chances of customers returning to complete their purchases. After scheduling, click on Tracking to set up any tracking options you may want for this email. Once you've configured tracking, click on Close to exit the tracking settings. Now click on Send SMS and drag it to the center of the workflow if you want to incorporate SMS notifications as well. This can further enhance your follow-up strategy. Finally, click on Close Modal to finish setting up your abandoned cart email workflow. Ensure that all elements are properly configured and saved. You are now ready to monitor the effectiveness of your abandoned cart email automation. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.